Welcome to the Olive Oil Divine Podcast, your go-to source for culinary inspiration. Join Greg and Shirley Muller, owners of Olive Oil Divine, as they share tips, stories, and insights to make you a kitchen hero. From authentic extra virgin olive oils to rich aged Italian balsamic vinegars, we've got everything you need to elevate your cooking. Live divine.
You might come in for a bottle of extra virgin olive oil, but what you'll leave with is inspiration for every meal. Greg and Shirley Muller reveal how Olive Oil Divine has grown into a full-on flavor experience. Welcome back, everyone. Skip Monty, co-host / producer, back in the studio with Greg and Shirley Muller. Greg, Shirley, how's it going?
Hey, Skip. It's great to be here.
Hey, Skip.
Hey.
Nice to see you.
Good morning. Hope you guys are having a good day.
Starting off great. We've got sunshine today. Isn't that awesome?
It is
Flowers
awesome.
are blooming and it looks outside.
It does. It's a little chilly, but still very nice. Loving it. So in our last episode, we talked about a lot of the health benefits of olive oil and some of the things that you guys offer, but I thought we could delve a little deeper into that this episode. So Olive Oil Divine, is it more than just an olive oil store? Great.
Oh, gosh, is it ever? I'll tell you, when we opened up 10 years ago, we had about 25 oils and 25 vinegars and a few little odds and ends and maybe 10 or 15 spices, maybe around 80 products, I guess, at the most. Now we're well over 300.
Wow.
So we're learning that olive oil and vinegar goes with a lot of things. We've expanded into things that are just a natural fit, such as pastas. We've got over 30 different pastas. You won't find that in any grocery store, probably anywhere in the country, really, but 30 different pastas. And what goes with pastas but pasta sauces?
That's right.
So, yeah, we've got pasta sauces. I put my olive oil on my pasta along with the sauce. Believe it or not, there's just so many combinations and possibilities that it's endless. So, yeah, we've expanded into the pastas. What's olive oil made from? Olives. So, guess what else we got?
Stuffed olives. Okay.
Oh, gosh, we've got, for the lost count, 18, 20, 25, something like that, different stuffed olives from California and Greece and Italy. And we got queen olives, we got spicy olives, we got pimento and cheese olives and pickled vegetables and pickles, and so we can really stock that cabinet pretty well. And then what else goes with food but balsamic based barbecue sauce? Ooh. Have you ever heard of balsamic based hot sauce?
I have not.
Oh my goodness. Because of the fact that it's barbecue based, the flavor is just, it carries through so well. The hot sauces, they're hot. I mean, they are ghost pepper, scorpion pepper based, but they're not going to be the kind that just blow your taste buds out of your mouth. You're going to taste the flavor. You're going to be drinking some water for sure, or washing it down with something, but the flavor just comes so through, and everybody that tries them just can't believe how tasty they are. And that's the same with the barbecue sauces. So it's just an explosion. And of course, there's all kinds of other things that I'll let Shirley talk about that are more her expertise. So I'll pass it off to Shirley.
Okay.
Good morning, Skip.
Good morning.
Hey, Skip. Greg was hinting about the barbecue sauces. There's something else that we have that is just as good as the barbecue sauces. It's the teriyaki balsamic.
Oh, yeah.
That is gluten-free. Ooh. And that is so delicious on grilled onions.
Ooh,
Greg will put them on the griddle, and he'll drizzle that teriyaki over those onions and saute them a little bit. Oh, they're delicious.
Wow. What you got? You're blowing my mind with all the different flavors and stuff. How do you curate that? I mean, I know you go to a lot of trouble to curate olive oils and balsamic from across the world. Do you curate your pasta and teriyaki sauce and barbecue sauce in a similar manner? How does that work?
Yeah, we're always looking for something to improve what products we have. A lot of the pastas come from Italy or California. So if we get wind or we search and we find another producer who's maybe winning some accolades in food competitions, we'll reach out to them and have them send us some samples. We'll evaluate it. We'll look at the ingredients, of course. We try to find the healthiest products that we can that don't have preservatives and bad stuff. We're not 100% perfect and pure, but we try to get there as best as we can. It's certainly better than what we can find in the grocery stores. So we're always getting something to try. And that's the same with our oils and vinegars. Our farmers and even new farmers that we perhaps learn about or reach out to us will send us samples. We'll check into their certifications and the ingredients and how they're producing. If they meet our standards and we like the samples, then we'll bring it in and give it a try. If our customers like it, we keep it. So it's a work in progress that's taken hundreds and hundreds of hours to do over the years.
Wow.
But we're not just a food store either. I actually have skincare products with olive oil in it. I have shampoos, soaps. I have facial scrub or body scrubs. I just brought in a brand new product. It's called face mask. And I have 7 different varieties.
Wow.
We have been testing them over and over, and we all love them. I brought in a brand new body scrub. It's called a coconut lime scent. I mean, I have probably 15 different
She's soft. She uses her own
products in
product.
here. And also, there's something else for pets. I have a pet shampoo. Now, all of these shampoos, body care, even for pets, they're all natural. There's no chemicals in them at all. They have essential oils in them, so they're really good and healthy for your skin and for your pets too.
Well, I had no idea that you had skincare products, and they are olive oil based, or
hmm
wow.
And then I have a bug. It's called Bug Plague Away. It is good to repel fleas, ticks, and mosquitoes.
Wow.
Without chemicals.
Okay, now, and how do you apply that? Is it a spray or?
No, it's a lotion. You just put it on like you put body lotion on. And I give mine 2 or 3 minutes before I go out in the yard because mosquitoes love me. But this is a great way,
Boy,
and I do not get bite at all with
it
it.
does work.
hmm
And she smells good too.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
I'm sure you look like you would smell good. Wow. So, wow. Well, that I think we could do an entire episode just on skincare products because I had no
We
idea.
sure- Yeah.
And Skip, we've also got drink mixers that are non-alcoholic. Of course, you can add your own if you want, but all kinds of natural juice drink mixers. And did you know we had Prepper Nutrients nutrition powders for those who make smoothies?
hmm
We've got the full line of every powder you can imagine from A to Z that comes from all over the world that are used for medicinal reasons or health boosting reasons or flavor reasons. So that and the seasonings and the rubs and the spices that we also have. We didn't even get into those yet. It goes on. And of course, Shirley's really got a team that is doing a great job of making gifts, gift baskets, and seasonal gifts. Every year we do everything in house. We don't buy anything pre-made. We bottle, create, package, and wrap and bow everything right here by hand in this store by our team.
Wow. Now that is impressive.
We also do corporate baskets. We can take a corporate logo and we can add it on our label and we can put it on the bottle. So we used to be printers years ago, and that's something that our expertise has allowed us to do in house. We do all of our labeling, all of our price cards, everything here in house. We're busy little bees.
Wow. Now that is very cool because I could imagine corporate events, Christmas parties, that sort of thing too.
A lot of realtors like to use us for putting their logo on their bottle as a closing gift for their clients.
Yeah. All we need is their corporate logo on a vector file, and we can print it and make it up.
Wow.
No charge at all. And there's no charge at all for the artwork. If you ever purchase a house, it's a nice way to gift them something.
Give olive oil instead of wine.
There you go. So when you basically white label your product with their corporate logo on it, it looks like it's their olive oil.
Yeah.
Correct. Although our name does have to be on there for legal reasons, but the main portion of the front logo is their name and number or logo or whatever they would like to put. If they want to customize it, say congratulations, Greg and Shirley, on your new big house or whatever, they can do that.
Yeah.
Wow. Very cool. Well, I would love to. The store looks great, by the way, and would love to possibly take a walking tour at some point, maybe in a future episode, if that's possible.
Absolutely. Come back and we'll show you around. We'll show you everything we've talked about today.
All right. All right. Sounds great. Love what you guys are doing, and we will see you in the next episode.
Okay, Skip.
See you later.
See ya.
Have a great day.
Thanks for tuning in to the Olive Oil Divine podcast. Don't forget to visit us online at oliveoildivine.com for our exceptional olive oils, aged balsamic vinegars, and more. If you're local, stop by our store and discover how we can make you a kitchen hero. Until next time, live divine.